Alright. Now, I have 4 chicken thighs, cleaned, patted dry with paper towel. This is how we season, using the S.O.C.E. Got some Cajun, got some AP, garlic cracked pepper. Alright. I like to use a mix of all 3. Now, the reason that we use salt on food is to waken up the nerve endings on our taste buds, and that's where flavor comes from. These mixes don't contain sodium, but they contain all natural, as you can see, products that do the same thing without raising your blood pressure or increasing your sodium intake. So, garlic and cracked pepper, this is what I normally start with. It's my favorite. And what we're going to do, sprinkle a light coat on each side. And always when we do to one side, we do to the other. We'll do the same thing. Now, let's get everything covered for the most part. Next, I'm going to come in with some AP. And almost the same thing. You know, you can be generous with the AP. It's all purpose. And very flavorful. Like I said, one side you do it to the other. And this is just a general example of how you can use all 3. Because most of my recipes, if I do use the S.O.C.E, I'm going to use all 3. Now the Cajun, here's the kick. If I taste it right now, it is very, how can I say, zesty with the pepper and the spices and the cayenne especially. But apply it to some food, and give it a, you can be generous with the Cajun. It's not as hot as you expect once it's cooked. But in its original form, you can get a little up there. And, you know, we do the one side, we do the other. And as you can see, I've used a good amount where I know I'm going to be able to taste everything. So now, got that. Hit it with the oil. I already have the oven. So I already have the oven set to 350. We're going to apply the oil. I'll do a cap full for 2. Cap full for the other 2. Now as a rub, for the lamb, generally all 3, and you can just cake that thing on real nice. But we're just gonna massage it in a little bit, flip that thing, get some under the skin, get that flavor all in there, right? Same thing. Put that in there. Grab some from the pan, get that flavor baked in. Same thing. Sop all that up. Okay. Oh yeah. Put that under there. And then we're actually going to put a pat of butter on top of each one and stick those right in the oven. This is I call it my set it and forget it, because any other time I'd have to take down the garlic, the pepper, the salt. It'll be about 30 seasonings on this counter full of seasonings. Nowhere to actually work. But with the S.O.C.Es, if I got the 3 bottles, you see all the S.O.C.Es, it's got all of that in there already. Shake, shake, shake. Butter, oil, toss in the oven. No guesswork. Yeah. Alrighty. Get a couple packs of this. One more chicken. Get some crispy skin. Boom. Just toss this right in the oven. And that's it. That's how I season my chicken